I'm going to show you how you can use the whiteboard feature in Zoom, also a useful tool if you are teaching a lesson or demonstrating something for somebody. So to get to the whiteboard, you go down to the bottom where your tools are, again, and you do share screen. So just like you did when you shared a PDF or something you had saved, you're going to do that. So you're going to click share screen. But this time, instead of sharing what's right on your desktop, you're going to choose whiteboard. So when you click that, it lights up and you click share. And what opens up is an actual whiteboard. And at the top here, you have a whole bunch of whiteboard tools that are fun to play around with. So I'll just take you through a couple of them. You can type something, so you can click the text and create a text box. And you could say, let's draw an array for 3 times 2, or 3, 3 times 3, sure, we'll go with that. You can select that box and move it around. You can also draw. So if you click the drawing tool, there are different choices you have for drawing. So if I clicked the line, this might be where I draw my array of 3. I'm not very great at drawing. They kind of look like clouds. So 3, and then another 3, and I can draw like this to show the students what I mean. Something along those lines. You can add stamps, which are, they look like little stamps. Spotlight, you can use the eraser to take something away. Formatting is basically colors and font and width. If you do something and you make a mistake, like I just erased, I can undo one at a time and put them back. I can redo, and I can also clear part of my work or all of my work. So I can say clear everything. Additionally, you can save. So if you do some work with students and you want to save it and put it up on Google Classroom, or just save it for your purposes or share it with them somehow, you can do that. When you are finished with your whiteboard, you can go to the top of the screen like we did before. All of your menus drop down and you can just go to stop share, and that takes you out of your whiteboard as well.